Hi guys, Rick from Newcastle Vehicle Exchange here. An absolutely beautiful Holden VF SV6 has just come in. So this is not an ex-rental vehicle, like you'll see quite a few of them online. This was privately owned and it's only travelled 49,000 kilometres. Beautiful colour, it's in absolutely pristine condition. It's got rego till September, it sits on 4 new tyres and we've just had it fully serviced. It already had a full logbook service history, but it was due at 50, so we've done that service and you will not fault this car. So the good thing about the SV6s is that you've got the V6 engine, of course, but they only use a average of 9 litres per 100 kilometres. It's got a factory tow bar there, and that is the heavy duty. So if you add electric brakes to this car, you can tow up to 2,100 kilos using that tow bar. So again, lovely condition all around. I'll show you the interior, but best to have a look at the photos because the sun's very bright today. It's lovely leather with the suede. So full power options, as you can see there. And down here, absolutely pristine. And really well looked after. You've got the electric controls there plus the handle. Now as I just climb inside, very warm today. We've got the Bluetooth and some stereo controls there, which I'll just turn down. And as we look over here, you've got the various different apps that they have in the SV6. So really awesome sound system compared to most cars. You've got the climate control, air conditioning, dual zones. You can see 22 degrees here and 20 on this side. You've got the sports automatic, so you can put it in S and just drive it like that. That'll give you more acceleration, or start using plus and minus, and you can drive it like a manual. So as I put it in reverse, you'll see that we have a reverse camera. Nice carbon fibre around the T-bar, by the way. It's got the push button park brake. And some other features here for the parking sensors. So lovely car, 49,000 kilometres only, as I mentioned, full logbook service history, long rego. All of our cars have got car history reports in the windows, so you can see that there's no money owing, there's been no discrepancies with the speedo or anything like that. So please click on the link below if you'd like to see over 20 photos of this vehicle and a full description. We are at Newcastle Vehicle Exchange, 264 Turton Road, Lambton, right next door to McDonald Jones Stadium where the Knights play footy and the Jets play soccer. Lots of parking there if there's none out the front, but lovely car. If you'd like to discuss it with me, feel free to give me a call on 0415 100 800, or again click the link below and follow the prompts and it'll allow you to email us and we'll contact you. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day.